You go carry masquerade, come for Gaha, Sabi. You get man, you carry masquerade, you enter this place. You go see problem, say you are who? You are who? Don't go punish you. Oh, that's Siam. Siam! What is this? What is this masquerade doing in my house? God who made me, I don't know over 4 hours here now. They beg this girl to take this masquerade out of this place. Thunder fire, sister. You never get waiting and never tell this your sister. Before me and Oga enter this place now, and they beg you since. Leave this rubbish you don't do. See the nonsense you brought into this family. Into this family. What is that? I know they beg you since when you stop this. I said, what is going on here? Nothing they go on. They think they go on and say, this boy and blood. What is this masquerade doing in my house? What do you mean masquerade and familiar spirit? What do you mean by familiar spirit? You mean you left your position to come into my house to dance with the masquerade? Maybe you see every day, every day. Who's in your pastor? Don't shut up! Don't you shut up! Sister, I don't like this. Where's my son? He's downstairs. Jesus. You mean my son is in this house? And you went ahead to bring a masquerade into my house? No, my familiar spirits. What did you get traumatized? What is this, sister? Spirits may know I'm not going to traumatize, and my spirits they guard this house. Go out there, get in fuel, and any matches or lighter you see out there, let me burn this nonsense. Tell over. What's wrong with him? Now me, you won't burn me. Sister? Not me now. It's me. I said that they fear. Where did they fear you? You not go for village. You get my this boy will know the fear. You get my where this nonsense enter here the dance of no grace. You don't get respect. Shame the grace. Talk again now. The grace as Ogun won't kill you. You don't know say that my money now I make this your guy where they see here. You don't know say that my money make a big man. Now everything man they talk. The money will collect from shrine. Ask him. You don't know say that waiting talent to big man. Will you shut up? You the man? How dare you be now? You don't talk to my man. Of course, son. Why is it shut up? You know me want to go back right now. Because you don't manage get small money, they mad. You know they forget where rain for start to beat you. Jesus Christ. Wait. Because you don't get. I'm trying, man, not trying. Make a shot. Guy, can you make? Because you don't wear two earrings, make I shot for me. No, you're not going to do this ball. Obina. Ha! Safi. For people who sacrifice. But it's a monk, I forever. I'm not stand here. This boy self. You get up from this place. If you go to Obina, give her the money on the price, you want to. Obina, me. Make sure they go outside your bed. But this is monk, I for. Ow. Doing this not nice, sister. You get out of this place. Get out from here.
Wala too much, yo. Bekuna see. Okadiru wala too much, yo. Bekuna see. Andele ndemwe membo. Bekuna see.
Why on earth will my sister bringing a servant of the deity into my house? What sort of disrespect is this? In my house? This is so annoying! Does this place look like a shrine? A scary masquerade in my house? Jesus!
You will not hear my voice. I will never say anything. Next thing, you will say I hate your sister, so deal with it. My own is that they should not scare me with that stupid thing anymore. They should not try it, because I will not take it in my house.
I don't suffer for this life. I don't suffer for say that because I don't get money. Say that because say I don't get money. Yeah? Because I don't get money, that money I go get a more. Not be to they beg me anything, not be to they beg me, not be I be waiting they talk. See Obi now one bunch. Because say you don't get money. Obi now why they hold for hand like this. Obi now sabi crossroad before. If he crossroad without me, Obi me they hold hand for hand crossroad. Obi now why I fight where big one day when teacher beat him, I carry fight go that school.
I remember.
Eh? Obi now where they carry they go school. Even when sometimes when you know if you carry and come back from school, now me they go carry and come back. Obi now go open him mouth tell me say make I shut up.
I don't off flight for him.
Make I shut up.
He no go try am again.
Make I begin talk plenty things what I don't do for Obi now.
He no go try am. Me don't cut shave for him. I mean they tell you. So calm down. He no go try am. You suppose know say na small pikin they worry that big boy. Na small pikin they worry am. Na pikin where you born. You no need to dey argue again.
No be about pikin where I born. Pikin where I born suppose know him papa. They tell me make I shut up there because this life.
Forget all these things.
Problem.
Forget all these things. Eh?
No problem.
If I dey talk to you, they listen. Forget all these things. This is no good.
No problem. Now life will come now.
What if in the meaning of this nonsense what you do for here?
Which nonsense be that?
Why you sprinkle drink for ties?
Now God's drink am now. I give God's drink.
All these things, then they make small children they insult you. When elder no they respect you old age. See what you do now. You don't say if you costumate this water.
Which can be consummate? Which kind of English
like
be that?
you spoil the water. Now what they call and they say they
consummate
costumate.
to spoil water. You go to see if you know sabi English, no they speak am. Speak the one where you sabi. Nobody go flog you. All the passport sites and go. They speak rubbish.
No they do that kind of thing. Stop them. Yeah, now go come they go.
I don't tell you. See that your brother, may they try to call and to order. Because one day I go vex. I'll just go back like this. You notice how they go back to go out. I will just come from Northern like this. You go understand, say me and I'm not be mates. And I don't like my condition as it day. You understand? My condition, I make crayfish burn. So make you know they remind me, make you know they make me the vex. Make I shut up. No problem. That life will come now. That money I will get am more.
Like this.
Yes, that life is about going now.
Going where? You don't start again. Going where? Now where you don't dey go since you never go anywhere. You still there where you
But if you dey bazaar, they hear people they say going, gone.
Now so you are already gone. Now so you are that going where they go, you are gone. That's
I'm gone. No let me and you start our own.
No, they start. I want to tell you.
No, if not like that, no let me and you start our own.
The life is going. That going, gone. Now there, gone. Now you dead now.
Scallywag.
Sunday no ganiru, make una see them two na very big trouble. Make una see them. They match each other. Make una they fit themselves. The two na masquerade.
Maluka, you just say they mad. What's happen? You sure they mad? You mad? Okay, that's what happen.
No go my back. Stay my phone now. They see you.
I don't understand. Which can talk with that one now? And they ask you to be our girl like that. You tell me say you dey with us on the same kind and go to Lagos. What you concern me with us on do? And they talk in your face. No be you are supposed to ask about that.
Talk now. No dey pour. Must you pour me spit?
You dey craze. You dey craze.
Must you pour me spit? I be your son though. You no get phone. Una too no get phone to call us on though. Us on though. Where the regalia bring am. Mu rock am.
Nothing concern me with us on do. Now you I know. Now you supposed to stay with them.
I be treasurer now. I'm supposed to stay with her.
Hey, she be so wild now. Why can you the mad do? You saw this thing where just talk now, just observe, just look at you now. You the craze. You know what's better for you, Go tell us on making carry that masquerade fit come here. See, the one who go best me now be say if I talk, you go to clean your face like this.
I don't understand. You dey pour me spit, now make I no clean my face. You una too gather and carry big spit.
See, might tell you, festival is fast approaching.
Okay.
You understand me? If I look for that masquerade fit, you go collect. Now I want to tell you.
It's nothing.
It's nothing waiting. Thunder go fire you.
See, I don't get time to talk too much. Go bring that girl and come. Now the last one I go give you this. I don't go talk too much. That more they go. Forget.
Wait.
No.
Okay, the girl supposed to dey your hand though. You dey hear me? The girl supposed to dey your hand.
They go now.
You be like say you know me very well.
Go, leave am, they
Go
go.
ask for about me. Idiot.
More they go, leave am. May no bring and come out. You go see him.
I know, Makaji, I no blame you. No be you I blame, no son though. If not be your son, do waiting for making gather hand to carry spirit for my face. Wah. No, son I blame. They were the time they not even the pick call. So they were the pick call. So all this can be big speed, not for they come my face.
Too much, yo. See. Okadiru wahala too much, yo. See. Angele dem we see.
Hey! Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? Akwana say na arrow binago. That means na arrow. He's supposed to live in the bush, nago. What is arrow doing in mansion like this? I know here, but arrow, put in a mansion. Or the arrow in a mansion can go now? Can you imagine? This stupid boy. Fine boy like this, we're supposed don't make him since. We're supposed don't make him. We're supposed that abroad now they find money. You still there. The gods condemn you like this. The gods condemn you. Carry masquerade the waka all the city. If as I dey here now, if to say I continue with this, you know the kind masquerade, you know the kind this thing what I don't do. Masquerade what I don't carry for this life. If you carry them, you go see the shine like this. You know what thing I go through before I make them. Come there as I dey now. Webrule ogankwo webrule. Webrule ogankwo webrule. Hey, webrule ogankwo webrule. Webrule ogankwo webrule. Hey, webrule. Come on, wake up here. Let's say you get mental problem. Zungaba, a bizaga, a malu, that's what you are. Wake up your son. You foul spirit. Come on, shut up and wake up from there. This is how they play with you. Now me slap your leg. Any move? You want to make a move? Just they leave you. Know your move, your route here. Make a first remove bottle because I know they like.
He is giving my wife a lot of work. Like, I'm tired. She comes back from work. All she does is be on the laptop till midnight. It's not making sense. She's still a nursing mother. And I know he knows about this. This is absolute wickedness. Why are people this bad?
Post your head in the mad in my house. I'll be your mate. Stop! You mad? Stop it! Come on for road first. Why? Leave English, just come on for road. What is going on? Stop this! Stop it! What is going on in my house?
Party they match. My mind is
Sister!
My mind is talking. Also is okay.
See this boy. You don't know how they target you, Abi? Your mind not. No! Stop this! Stop it! Sister!
You dey talk to my man and I see you with your low self-esteem aqua. Why is I talk to man with the GG? He dashi for here, he dashi for. Talk anyhow, you get me on the low fire.
I go shock it for your head.
My love, leave on.
For inside brain.
My love, leave on.
Impressive. Look at you. Look at you. You're already shouting like a madman. Housing a madman in a masquerade costume. In our house. A madman in a masquerade in our house. Look at you. Impressive. You're doing well.
Babes, what are you talking? See, Oga, na the same talk I do. Na the same talk I tell you, say, how can this man carry masquerade? Enter here. Enter this compound and they tell him, carry this masquerade out of this place. And that masquerade, I said, they see him, no be fake, oh. Juju dey inside that thing. I know real masquerade if I see him. Juju dey inside that one. Before you know it now, spirits go full here. Then go there. Masquerade in my house. Better one. No be play one, oh. They tell him they raise bottle for me. You know how many years ago we don't do on bottle? We don't do bottle. Will you get out from this place? Get out!
She hate injustices. She know wala. See me see wala.
Obina, what was the meaning of that? What was the meaning of that in a city as Lagos? You have masquerade in your compound chasing people around. Do you know I almost ran into a moving vehicle? This is not funny. It's not funny at all. I don't like it.
Frank, I understand how you feel. And I'm sorry for everything. I have tried all I could to take that man out of my house, but he has refused. My sister will not allow me. If my sister goes to hell today and invites that young man, he will gladly come to meet her in that hell. I am telling you, I don't know what to do again. I am confused.
Obi, now you can't tell me you don't know what to do. This is your house. This is your home. Do something. Kick him out. Kick him out of the house. I mean, just tell him to get out. He will understand. He will leave.
Do you know how many times I have tried to throw that young man out of my house? And my sister will kick against it? Do you know that my sister is mad at me for even trying to chase him out of my house?
Who cares? Who cares if your sister is mad at you? This is madness. I mean, how can her boyfriend come to your house and put on a masquerade outfit and be chasing people around? Moreover, your security. This is the madness we are talking about. I think it would be nice high time I stopped coming to your house. I'll just be seeing you in the office. Please, see you in the office.
Frank.
I trust also you go bring the money.
Which one be outside the word they hear my name? What's happen? What's happen?
Also, no.
Yeah?
No, welcome, come sit down.
You do okay? Obi, now you know the greet person.
Welcome.
Welcome. You know the greet person. What thing did they teach this your brother for school? Eh?
No. Welcome.
That means Gen Z, sir. I don't. As you carry call me, I no get rest of mind.
I dey tell you, this boy won't keep me before my time. Oh. You get what I never do for him. Yet the money no complete. You still remember Ababa 150,000. We are one say Ababa 150. No one I shall remain one never do.
Which kind of talk with that? So I go there and like you, they do a shower.
Yeah. What it is? Why you use or tie this this? What's it there? Why you use or more? Why?
Now the money be this. I don't collect the money.
Which one?
Say that 150,000.
I be come down. Much more. Omo be better thing.
Which one be throw more? How you know be better thing? See the money.
150,000.
The money.
The 150,000.
KBC will for 150.
Which one be average for 150?
Where you for see the money? The company. Awesome. Where you for see 150,000? You will not get comfortable 10,000 naira.
Now Ishaka give me the money. What happened?
Jesus. Ishaka.
What happened? What did they say? Ishaka, the native doctor, I say you get leprosy. What happened? I don't work about ask everybody the money. You know, get where I never go ask person the money. And na only native doctor that ain't come through for me. As I tell and say, no even waste time, sir. You tell me, say, okay, make I see the. But say I go swear for them. Say I go return the money. I swear, say of course I go return the money. So I no go chop him money. Now you carry the money, give me. How? What you have for do? You know as you carry call me. You know as you carry call me. Say I go come back empty-handed.
Sister,
No
I will not take this money. This money is going to vanish. It's going to vanish.
No wonder I use or mute time.
Okay.
I foresee.
It's going to vanish. No, while I make her vanish and back for in hand. Now I return am back.
I'll never go.
No, he said
No,
the money.
give me. I bet the kind problem why they pass through. I cover this money with the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
Power.
Amen.
Make nothing dey happen.
You cover Ishaka, native doctor, with the blood of Jesus.
Ishaka, may the Lord.
Let's say breeze, no, they enter your head. Then they affect you, Abi.
May the Lord give.
But use this entire.
May the Lord visit Ishaka. Ishaka go give his life to Christ in Jesus' name.
Amen. Hello. What are you talking about? It's a lie. Are you sure? Sister, are you serious about this? This is not... I will talk to you later, please. Jesus.
I don't want to explode, Doris. I don't want to explode because I'm already having it hot with my boss and my manager. These people are driving me crazy. Do you know the worst part? If I try to complain, he will start explaining to me how she trained him all through the university and secondary school, how she is his all and all. Can you imagine that? What am I supposed to do? I mean, who allows their sister's boyfriend to come into his house with a masquerade, a dirty masquerade, in my own house? Honestly speaking, I'm so angry, I'm so pissed. I don't even know how to react. My baby is even being affected with all this drama, all this crazy nonsense. It's so crazy right now. Sorry, baby. Sorry, okay? I don't know. The masquerade is busy chasing the gate man up and down, and I'm so pissed. I don't even know what to do. I'm sorry, my baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, mommy is here, okay? Don't shout to me. I'm sorry. They're just driving me crazy. Doris, I'll call you back. I'm sorry.
Do am anything no. I just dey on my own. That boy get mind. Flog me cane. I just dey my own, dey sleep jeje. The next thing they carry cane wipe me. Which kind of rubbish be that? I see finish, I be waiting.
No respect.
For me to dey on my own, he carry cane flog me. But no blame am.
The thing with the pay me now, say I didn't disrespect. No respect at all.
Yes now.
No respect. At 1 naira respect no day because they don't respect my man again. They don't see you finish. Too much of play deserve no respect. Now respect don't come out from where you do.
Even say no respect me. No even say make you respect the fact say I be son of the gods.
You be son of the gods.
Not me now, be son of the gods.
Or son do what they will rain. How you gonna call yourself son of the gods? You be your son do. You don't be son of any nonsense gods. You know why they do this? You know they do it because we like and because of condition. That make us they do it. You are a child of God.
Condition of what? Condition of who person picking I be. Not be condition of God's picking. I bet you know they talk that one no be waiting and they talk for here. And they talk about the disrespect. Why go there for this person go carry cane, they flog me. Last say they carry me go school.
One, they pay me. How they go to flog a full-grown man like you? We round yellow, they ground. They go do they insult you. Forget to say who insult you don't insult me. Who flog you don't flog me. Now the thing they pay me.
Yes now. Who insults me don't insult you. Now so it be that. As it be like this, now me and you they insult too. Because which kind of rubbish be that? But you are with the round, they ground.
The two both of us. Who be that one? I don't borrow you well. I mean they tell you don't borrow you well. All be let me you finish to make a call for your house. All be now you don't respect me, your elder sister. Now you see my call for your house. You bless say they whine you. All be like bless say they whine you. Bless say you don't forget.
Forget what? I'm not saying you should leave my house. Don't misunderstand me, please.
Bless say you don't forget. You don't quick forget. If you say my son don't come up for your house, now me they tell me I come up for your house.
But that guy has not gotten married to you yet. He doesn't even look like someone who has intentions to marry you. All he does is go around the house, inciting fears and threats with that ugly, whatever masquerading he's doing.
But now this boy they make you now he sacrifice for you today where you there today.
And I am ready to pay. Sister, see, I have said it. I am ready to pay him off. Don't you understand this?
You see this life. You see this life. Don't take risk for anybody here the way that they poor. Because poverty and loyalty. Once person gets small money, they don't show you their real color. Because of small money when you get, now you get more they face me here. That's oh God. I don't blame you. If not be condition or son do go there we are in there now. We'll take bullet for you. But you reach our turn. You say you no go take, you cover. You enter underground, make bullet hit us, no problem, guy. No worry, no worry, I run the command. Come now, if you talk any again, I go to sit down. You know, say I didn't get temperamental issue, know that one. Don't say. Because of small money when you get, because of small money, see you. Imagine your money not pass your size. Now your size, as you do like this, that's what your money do. What bitch? Get back, you get shit. You say you get like, you know what's not in there. Jesus Christ.
Not be me, oh. Not be me, you see. God forbid. That one day village you. God forbid. Not be me, you see. No fit see me. Never. Not be me. God forbid. Hey! Jesus Christ.
Aganiru wanyoma, aganiru. Wetin be your wahala, aganiru. Village mego give aganiru. Village life bugoge aganiru. Aganiru wanyoma, aganiru. Your wahala too much, aganiru. Your trouble too much, aganiru.
Babe. What are you still doing? Babe, please. Can you just come to the bed and rest? You've been working ever since you got back from work.
Yeah, I have to finish this. It's very important.
You can continue this tomorrow. Let's just come to bed and rest, please.
I have to finish this, please.
Who is that? Who is it? Oh, Jesus.
No, don't be smarting, no. Don't be smarting. You need to give this kid breast. You don't let me sleep or nothing. If they're hungry, give her breast, give her breast, give her breast. See, if they bring her nice, you give her breast.
I'll do that later. The breast milk is not here.
Who trying to say the breast milk is not here? Not be breast full here like this. Not be breast like this. Give her breast milk make you for chop. You don't want me to speak guesses.
I said I will attend to him later. The breast milk is not here.
Obinna. Yes. You didn't hear what your wife did talk?
Sister, not to worry. Just follow what she says. Okay?
Now I understand. Your wife follow for those people get low self-esteem. Their breasts are low self-esteem. They don't let people see her. No wonder your wife always get brazen money at night to lift the ministry. No worry, I know go see her, make her dey go. I know say you dey shame because if you open brag, you make wah, you make lala. Look at all for her. Come on, me open that for you. I don't know. No, I know one day when I open breast. Me not say that me see breast. I bet. I want to see that kind of self-esteem breast. The breast don't low. Still say they put for granted. Don't worry. I will go out. Thank you for opening my breast. Baby, papa, I got you. Papa, give my breast. I'll come carry later for me. Yeah.
Someone is tampering with my baby's milk. Someone is drinking my God's-given baby's milk. What is this? What nonsense is this now? Obinna?
I thought you fed the baby when you returned back from work this evening.
Is that the problem? I am telling you someone is tampering with my baby's milk. Are you asking me if I fed the baby? This is not the quantity I left now. I know what Sleep, baby. I know what I am telling you. I extracted enough for my baby before I left to work. I know what I kept in the fridge, and this is not it. Do you know how difficult it is to do this thing? Do you know how hard and painful? My breasts are all big and painful. My nipples are sore. And yet an adult, a full-grown adult, is drinking baby's milk. What is this? Obinna, I'm serious. I'm serious. Obinna, leave my baby alone. I'm talking about my baby's milk and you're petting the baby. You're the one drinking my baby's milk.
Will you stop this?
Obinna, you're drinking my baby's milk.
Will you stop this? Stop this nonsense. How can you accuse me for such a thing?
If it's not you, who? Who? Because I am sure of what I am seeing. I extracted enough milk for my baby. I left it in the fridge. And someone is drinking it. Obinna.
I think you need to calm down.
Really?
Yes.
I'm talking about my baby's milk and you're telling me to calm down, really? So I'm extracting milk for full-grown adults. No, they should come and suck my breast too.
You are stressed. Yes. You are stressed. I'm not even sure if you remember the quantity of milk you left in there.
Really?
Exactly.
Really, I'm stressed.
Just come.
I'm now a mad woman because I'm talking about my baby's breast milk, Obinna.
Can you forget about this? Come to the bed and sleep. We can talk about this tomorrow, please.
Leave my baby alone. You finished my baby's milk and now you're petting my baby. Never! You're useless.
Again, they find something. This is how you look like this. Okay.
Babe, I thought you said you saw him with a bottle of water.
Oh, please. That's a deceit mechanism. That young man came for my breast milk. I am sure of it. Why are you acting like this? What is Jesus not taking? What are you doing? I'm telling you someone is after my breast milk and you're saying Jesus. It's not funny, oh.
Okay, my love. I promise you, he is going to leave this house as soon as possible.
I don't care. But you see, this nonsense and rubbish you're making me take in this house, all in the name of brother and sisters. It will go to a point, I will explode. Period.
Babe, can you just calm down?
Calm down.
You've breastfed the baby already. That is the most important thing.
Really?
Just relax.
Really?
Of course, you shouldn't be raising your voice at everything happening in this house.
Obinna, I am raising my voice. No, Obinna, I am raising my voice. Someone is after my baby's breast milk and you're telling me I'm raising my voice. Really? Really, Obinna?
Aganilu wanyoma, aganilu. Waiting be a wala, aganilu. Village mego give aganilu. Village.
You go carry masquerade, come for Gahasabi. You get man, carry masquerade, enter this place. You go see problem, say you are who? You are who? Don't go punish you. Oh, that's Siam. Siam! What is this? What is this masquerade doing in my house? God who made me, I don't know over 4 hours here and now. They beg this girl to take this masquerade out of this place. Thunder fire, sister. You never get waiting, I never tell this your sister. Before me and Oga enter this place now, I beg you since. Leave this rubbish, you know me. See the nonsense you brought into this family. Into this family. What is that? I know the beg this is where it's not this. I said, what is going on here?
body, two of them, they reason the same thing. No look for their trouble, my cocoa to buru chai, their trouble no be here. Their madness don't pass, village lifestyle, food their body. Them two now lovers with big problems. Crazy sister, ole. Crazy sister, ole. She be crazy sister. Oh, Neya, Oneyen Sobu. She be crazy sister. Oh, Neya, Oneyen Sobu. Osondo no ganiru. Them two they give wala. Osondo no ganiru. Them two they give wala. Them they give wala. Them two they give wala. Them they give trouble. Them two they give wala. That wahala too much, yeah. Them two they give wala. Jai.
Why I called for this meeting is because I want to settle you. I want you to be a free man of your own. So, tell me, when you want to marry my sister, at least you have something doing. I heard you learned how to sew clothes in Aba. Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about the clothes where they sew for Aba. I dey sew bed sheets. I dey sew.
No, what they ask you? No, what they ask you? Say me you talk how much you want to settle you.
Oh, settle. Okay. I think say make I tell you the kind of clothes where they sew for Aba, because me I dey.
You don't do it. Say me you talk how much you go to settle you.
Okay.
They package yourself.
Okay. You know, say for this life, life now all about going to the extent.
Going where now? Also, the way they go. They tell me you talk how much you settle you. Never waiting in talk. In you day they talk. Life is about going. Where you they go? Kebi na where you they go?
What's gonna happen now?
Okay, tell how much you go to settle you. You know they fool yourself again. All these things you do, I don't like.
You start to fool myself in front of your brother and your wife. Which kind of talk about
you start to fool yourself. Talk how much you take to you more rest.
But life not all about going now.
I can't tell you do for inside. Man, no verse for you. Talk how much you take to you.
Life not the journey. Keep going.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, my brother, my in-law. See, you see, let I go straight to the point without beating around the bush or playing around the bush. Or the bush go play around. But the main thing is say, if I add everything, we be say, make it not be like say I want to add something, because everybody know a person where wear shoe know where they pay now.
Don't you consign money where they want pay you?
But so, I don't like this. They tackle me. I now make I follow my in-law. Not be my in-law it be. So my in-law. Without everything, now 4.1 billion. Because I want build house. I get one land for your sister now. So me, I want develop that land. I want build for that land. The kind of house I want build, where they in my mind there. This house small now. This house flying boat go fit enter here. It no fits now. But the one I want build, I want it from our village stream. Go flying boat.
Shut up your mouth.
That.
Which kind of talk come with that one now? They say when they settle you 4.1 billion naira. See your mouth now. No, let me verse. So man, no use this hand now slap you, go bleed from mouth.
You want slap me for what?
4.1 billion. No, if you push that part for your mouth now, remember they do billion. Then go say you would say the kind of dream of house you want build. Now for your mind today. You want build house go better pass this my mansion when my brother build the craze.
What in the happen? You there against me, I be there for me.
You don't look my brother. My brother build like who get 4.1 billion naira.
This your brother. You there in pocket? Him when I talk, he shake. If you know, he go supposed to shake. But he no shake, he go chest her.
You be hunde. So my brother go give you 4.1 billion because now he create you, I mean, I carry you call this ex.
I know they like this kind of thing. Allow and make it. If you say you want to, I go remove one, make him 4 billion. Okay, you know what, my brother? Make you not be say they just they go around because I don't like as your sister they talk. That meeting where you come here.
Wait a minute.
Say wait a minute.
You're asking for 4 billion naira?
4.1 billion.
4.1? From me? Or from the bank or from the gods? Tell me.
Obina, no need to stress yourself. What you go do? You get 75,000 naira we gather. Once you just get 75,000 naira where you gather, open envelope, put them inside, write your name, give them. Use and set one. Then you go and start business.
75,000 for waiting.
Yes, naira.
Now the charge card, no, they talk rubbish show. Which kind? So 75,000, now we call this family meeting.
What do you mean by that nonsense?
Which kind? Wait till you just talk now.
Now you help my brother make money.
How much transport
Poor man will get longer throat. Now you help him make money. Which kind talk up that way? The class make he can't give you for not try that rubbish. So see, nothing say because me and you they date, I'm going to support you. I don't support evil. You know that one. I don't support nonsense. If you get 75,000, I give him. Make you use and come out.
May give me 75. I bring me 75,000.
See, open like, see, man, tell you what you know. Eh?
No, I won't know. Make you
I
give me
don't
75,000.
Don't say because me and you, I'm not.
I better come up for you.
How you going to tell us I give you 4 billion? 4.1 billion. No, the woman need to look at
Just give me 3 billion.
Also, the 3 waiting. What do you mean of this? Now, when you call this for meeting, they come in and go to your life. Why is it that this is a beer? Now, so the next time we go cheap house, you go to discuss yourself. They say they give you 3.8 billion. Now you don't use for 4 points. For 4 points, you come the billion. You die for this life. You die, your lineage die. And your lineage die, you don't make it.
Maybe me and you get the lineage.
They ask of 3.something billion. 3 billion. The one that billion. Now don't tell you push on a partner. You're a bullet. You be thief. You be thief.
No, one will call billion. You dare your brother pocket.
My brother, when you see us, my brother there as a human being. You say that we don't touch 1 billion before.
You dey crazy, so who kill you? How you know say if you don't get 1 billion, you die?
That's 75,000 and another will give you because you be thief.
Come, you know say I be one keep quiet. Say you open mouth, they talk me, they give me 75,000. So that's tell you now for the chat card.
I go try. You know, wait my people slippers. You make a put me down. Don't push me go bed. Don't push me. Don't push me. I don't know. No, all these guys I know they like. I know they can't be go another place.
No, she say you get power. I am fighting me like mercy.
I know what you do. They carry me to go bed. Sure.
Be man. Ma, come on my clothes so you no go see where you go hold.
I don't put get power to
Make I lock door so you no go kill on outside when I start.
Laptop fast. Criminal.
Yeah, man.
Thief 75,000 and now
You see the talker?
At this point, I am trying to control my sanity. I'm trying to make sure I stay sane in all this nonsense you people are doing. You see this contract, see this project. This is the only thing on my mind. And I'm doing everything possible and working so hard to make sure it works for me. You can deal with the drama you brought upon yourself. That is your cause, carry it. Come to think of it, who does that? Look at the kind of man your sister is dating. Your elder sister, look at the useless thing she calls a boyfriend. Or husband to be, like you said the other time. Look at it. A useless man, a senseless being. A nuisance. Even when he opens his mouth to talk, he will spit rubbish. 4.1 B. Be like he has seen one in his entire life.
I have told you that guy helped me. He did a lot for me.
Help him back, Obinna. Help him and leave me alone.
Are we not one? Are we not family? I am seeking your opinion on what to do.
Oh, you're seeking my opinion? You want me to talk? So that people will say I asked you to chase your sister out of your house? Never! Obinna, you will not hear my voice.
Oya mari kuku buri kuku lani kuku biko mi agame. Hey, mbara gude vidi agame. Nami di kwara mebu. Unekwere woji mubunderi atwegu. Ona mara woji mubunderi atwegu. Oya mari kuku buri kuku lani kuku biko mi agame. Zero sugar. Sugar don't do this one already. Oya mari kuku buri kuku lani kuku miko mi agame. Mbona ngune confirm. Zero sugar. No, I give you them. Jesus. Jesus. Madam,
What are you doing with that?
Madam, you come back. I just said you don't come out though. Good afternoon.
You have been drinking my breast milk.
You said?
You have been the one drinking my breast milk.
Your breast milk? Jesus.
Wow! Abina!
He's the one drinking my breast milk! I told you someone was drinking my breast milk.
Madam, you
I
said your breast
came
milk.
in here and I saw this fool using my breast milk.
Madam, talk through. This thing like original breast milk, as in your God-given breast milk.
Fool. You're a foolish man. You're asking me if this is my original milk. No, come and suck my breast.
Hey! Raw milk! But woman, sir, what's the meaning of this?
Hey!
Is there no milk in the kitchen? Okay, make I tell you the truth. You see this milk now, where madam call her breast milk. We don't dey drink and tete, no be only milk. Wait a minute. Your sister, the boyfriend, everybody, this milk where you see now, then they use and drink garri. Sometimes makamu, sometimes custard, sometimes they don't even drink and raw. Who are the we? Who be the husband and the girlfriend? They don't they drink this milk. Now me be the low drink myself. I know they drink too much. Is it that you guys don't know where the milk is in the kitchen? I didn't say I don't drink yo.
Babe, you need to calm down, please. I know you told me, and I didn't believe you. Please, I'm sorry.
Oh, please don't tell me to calm down, Obina. You see you, Bartolome, Osondo, your sister, all of you drank my natural milk. You drank it.
What?
Yes, you did. When we make love, you suck my breast, so you drink my milk. In fact, I don't even know you drink it directly and indirectly. Who am I? Eh? No, what am I? I'm finished. You have sucked me dry, you and your community have sucked me. Don't tell me please. Don't tell me please. Eh? Because I don't understand what is going on. I will keep my breast milk and they will take it. I will keep milk, they will take it. Don't let them come and suck it. Let them come and suck my breast. Let them suck it, Obina. Now, I'm supposed to be the original, our wife. That is what
Can you just stop this?
Stop what?
Stop it, please.
No, stop what? Stop what, Obina? I told you that my breast milk has been missing in this house. And what did you do? You made me believe that I was just stressed out.
And I said, I am sorry.
I am sorry. Sorry for what? Sorry for sucking my breast. Sorry for bringing your community to suck my breast. Is that what you're sorry about? Now listen to me. Let me tell you. I am going to work. Pray I don't come back with this mood because I will light this place on fire.
Aganiru wanyoma, aganiru. Wetin be your wahala, aganiru. Village mego give aganiru. Village life bugo gebu aganiru. Aganiru wanyoma, aganiru. Your wahala too much, aganiru. Your trouble too much, aganiru. She be crazy sister.
Idiots.
fool! You drank my milk? I'm asking you a question. You drank my breast milk.
Madam, I not touch your breast though. I not even near your breast. And the thing be say, as I go that kitchen see that milk, and they always see the milk there. Now I just carry one. As I carry that one, and it chill. Now I shake and let this press the milk, press and small. Now I come say make I check the sugar level. As I test them, I come say, this one has 0 sugar. This milk they no put on sugar. Now I come say this one go good for my weight loss.
Hey, enough.
Yeah, done.
I said enough. You come bring her and shake. You were shaking my breast milk, you fool. I said you were shaking my breast milk. Let me come back. Open the gate.
Press the breast.
Open the gate. Useless. Look at them, you fool. Fool, look at them. Look at them, foolish people. We're drinking my breast milk.
Jehovah. I follow drink the breast milk.
You drink her?
I did tell you, my brother. You know, say, as I open fridge, I just see the thing. I just drink her, the thing, you're sweet. I can say, wonder shall never end. Now I say, wonder shall never end. So milk, they sweet like this without sugar inside. Because the thing, there's no sugar for inside. Now I start to knock the thing. I will bring gari, sugar, granite. I told them inside, now I used to the chop. If you see as this thing, they sweet. Authority. Hey! I don't know, it's not my favorite woman breast that they drink. Hey.
Since in a confession, everybody they do. Make I no lie. When I first see them for fridge, I think say na soya milk. Not this soya milk, we know they get milk. So I use and drink. I even use and drink Lipton.
Jesus.
I shock as you say na breast milk. But why normal human being go carry breast milk put inside fridge? When pikin they cry, we go carry am like this, put am for him, make pikin suck am. You carry am put inside fridge.
The matter tire me.
Eh?
And the first time for my life where they see this kind of thing.
I never see this kind of thing before. I shock.
So tomorrow night, to say you come marry me, I come born pikin. Me, where I suppose carry my breast, give my pikin me suck.
Make suck if they cry.
I can't put am for fridge. They mad.
You know, go even fit try my love. That day, while I go wear pants. I never suck finish. They suck, they put for fridge. When pikin never suck belly food, me I never suck belly food. They put inside fridge. Yeah? Which kind of rough play with that? But they know they do that kind of thing now. Yeah? But see here. You know say that place where they do joke now and they see they talk true. Your brother wife breast sweet too. I no go lie. So now breast milk be that's why they drink like that.
Also do you mad?
What's it?
You dey crazy.
What you talk now?
Why you go talk to my brother wife breast sweet?
Also they play now. But the breast is really sweet. You get garlic.
What do you mean by say the breast really sweet?
What's happen now? Okay, you know sweet. Now your own sweet. Now your own sweet. What's the best you? Let me play with the play for you. You know, I don't talk my own now. You come with a drink your fellow woman breast. Why you go drink your fellow woman breast?
If to say I can't talk now, say Bati manhood, you know self-esteem manhood sweet, you go like him.
That one I'm nothing I go give you for nose now.
What? I don't get it. Your wife's breast milk? Who does that?
I know this sounds so stupid, but I think it was a mistake. Yes. And the way my wife went about it, it's so uncalled for. Raising her voice and, man, you need to see what she did.
I think you are giving excuses. This cannot be a mistake. There is a clear difference between a premium milk and a non-premium milk. This is unbelievable. But guy, please, can we just stop this irritating conversation? I beg you.
Frank, please. I need you to join me to the village. I need to go and see the chief priest that entangled Osondo. I need to pay him for the land so that he can free Osondo. I need that young man to leave my house. My house has lost peace.
Obi, you don't need to pay anybody, do you? You don't need to give anybody money. Just settle your sister and she will leave your house for good.
Frank, I don't think you know what. You really understand what I am saying. My sister is gone with that guy. Like, my sister is so into that guy. Every money I have given my sister, she gives it to him. And he is the one squandering all the money. No matter what I do now for my sister, she will still give it to that young man. I need to do something. I have lost my peace in my home.
And the man is asking you to give him 4 billion.
The way he made it's not funny, it's
this
serious.
Is crazy.
He said
quite
4
crazy.
billion. Like the way he pronounced it, 4 billion.
You know what I feel? He has been taking so much of your wife's breast milk, and I think it's really affecting his head.
Don't go there. Please, I need you to join
I
me to
think
the
it is
village.
the breast milk that is really working the other way.
Chief priest, I am a man of peace. I don't like trouble at all. That is why my friend and I have come to plead to you to please accept the money and give Osondo back his land. I want that young man to leave my house, to leave my sister. My house is on fire. Please.
The truth is, I cannot give back the land to him. And he is from the Masquerade clan. There is no how I will reverse what I did to him. As per your house, that does not concern me in any way. The land in question is not for sale currently and cannot be sold at all.
Wise one. The land in question, this land we are talking about, was given to you because of the money you borrowed him and he couldn't pay back. Yes. And my friend here is begging you. I want you to remember that the money you gave to him was 150,000 naira. And my friend is offering 1.5 million naira.
1.5 million naira? That is times 10 of what you borrowed the young man.
Yes. Wise one say, he is doing this so that the young man will leave his house. He's a man of peace. He wants the man to leave so that he will not be feeling any guilt as if he has done something wrong at all. That's why he's bringing this whole money. Please.
If you like, bring in trailer of money here. I need no money. I will not reverse or undo whatever. He is still the property of the gods. Tell him I said so.
Wise one. I think you're not understanding the situation at hand here. Maybe our voice is high.
Maybe.
Wise one. My house is on fire. There is no peace in my house. I need my peace back. I need my home back. My wife is in pains. She is not happy at all. Please, accept this money and let him leave my house.
Do you realize where you are? Mind what you say. Or do you want me to send Ajane to you?
Wise one, it has not got into that. It has not got into that at all. Now let's
get out of this place. Get out!
Let's go.
This idiot!
Calm down. You know, say, we be one. Don't be one. We be, see him. Resemble me. The same color, see him now. We get the same color.
Why you gonna run? Come!
I see that the one that they pursue me now. Make me run now.
Okay, we dey pursue you. Okay, where they run they go?
I won't go by car.
Now that can go punish you there. You dey mad.
What's happen?
See, God, what do you drink? This guy, they drink monkey 10. Oh. God, you know when carry us down, they come for this place. God, you dey run or you dey try. See, see what I want to tell you now. As you dey now, we dey go in some more place. Nah. You understand me? So now you provide that masculine stuff today, or you go provide us something for us. Because your own done too much. Your cup don't full today. See, I'm here.
What did they pay me? Who treat this guy with apology before I go there?
What you concern is more concern peaceful conversation.
We go here today.
Wait. As you be like this now, we no go leave you. We can't go in more place. You go talk anything you want tell us. Go tell them for that place because today.
Calm down.
You know.
Calm down. So when I want us on the be
or the masquerade first.
No be us on do I want.
I'm not going to go.
Calm down.
You can't be getting
calm down.
What's your?
You hold your 12-5.
I hold on. Wetin come happen?
You hold your 12-5. You hold your 12-5. You hold your 12-5.
No, ask me anything more. Go.
Me, I hold my 12-5.
Come on, go.
Mama, who treat this guy now? Put that way.
Calm down. We will be one. Never.
Calm down now.
Honestly, I am so frustrated right now. I need you to help me speak with your friend. He knows I need this contract. I need this project. I don't know why he's doing this to me.
Why not do what he asked you to do? After all, this life is all about give and take.
Really?
That's all.
Are you aware of what he's asking of me?
Can I hear?
So you want me to sleep with him? Is that what you're asking me to do?
No, come on. That's not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying. Of course, you know, in this life, there are certain things you desire in life so much that you don't have any choice than to sacrifice. Some can break you at that moment. You understand? Yes? So if you really want this contract, you just have to play by his rule. All I'm saying is that if you really want this contract, if you love this contract, you have to do whatever he asks you to do. That's all.
I see. Mr. Motivational Speaker.
Oh, is that what you're calling me now?
Now I see why you guys are friends. Birds of the same feather.
No, don't say
Are you aware that I am a married woman? A breastfeeding mother for that matter.
So what? A woman is a woman, whether married or not. You know there's always something to give to get something in return, to receive. You know that. You know how this contract will boost you in the company. So you have to play by the rule. There are so many people who are waiting for you to just slight mistake from you so they can grab this opportunity, wonderful opportunity. If you can't sacrifice, then you have to leave it. I'm sorry. Have a good day, woman. Play wise.
Why you call me out? Tell me. Why you call me? I beg, do fast. My guy will soon return. Let me go back to here.
See, you don't need to be mean. You don't need to be mean.
I slap you.
But
which one is I don't need to be mean? I slap you. Talk what you
just
want.
put smile on your face. Smile. Okay, see, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Anything be that?
Anytime your guy travel or goes to work or your madam is not around, just call me now.
Call you and do what? Madam, let me tell you. Listen to me now. My business with you is over. Shebi, I don't manage now. Take one round. That one round why I take when you shout, almost bite me. I'm okay with it. Every expenses where I do, that I use that one round to take cover them. So make you just go your way. Leave me. If I ever stop you for road or call your number again, no say I dey craze. So it's okay.
But baby.
No dey, she no go. She no go come.
See, I don't even want money. Do you know what the problem is? That day, you finish work. Like anytime I lie down like this, they sleep like this. Only that side. Now they see. The way you just they do me, they drag me. they smoosh me, you know. I know the rest. I know they get myself again.
God no go gree
Abeg.
make you ever get yourself again.
I beg. Only one.
You see that thing, that one where you take, now give away. Madam,
Good
welcome.
afternoon, ma'am. Welcome.
Let children pass finish because they like evil talk. They like evil talk.
See, they don't go.
You see that last one where you do, you will never see me again in this life. That one why I give you. Now there I start.
Okay, see. You know, say before, now money carry me come. But now, leave money. Give me chairman.
I been tell you saying I'm working as well. I tell you say the train snake.
No, you talk about
Tell you say I be
see
python
see this
trainer.
your sweat now. I need it. Use a rubber.
Come on for here. See that work now. Me you go dey pay.
See what
me, I go dey collect money. If anytime where you need me, more I'm major OS. I'm the major OS now. So if you need me, Biko, me ego. Money for hand, back for grand.
You dey do shakara now.
No, which one be I dey do shakara?
You
now?
go enjoy am too.
The snake, you know, by
sir, that time I walk with this.
No, you too, you know.
I beg, more leave come
This
now.
when the snake they bite you, no feel am.
No go wait. May we agree now.
Madam, thank God, sir, I don't already know say you like wetin happen to you. So me now I go use them against you. I beg if you need me, call my number.
Wait. You go need to tell me time where I go take come so that if I dey come, I'll prepare myself.
4:30.
Which day today?
Then come with 40,000.
You be thief.
Okay.
You be thief.
Okay now.
If I give you 40,000, I'll go eat my teeth. Come out this.
See, I be rich here. They now 4.98.
I know you don't need to tell me. Come now. See.
Listen, look at the bastard there.
Hey, young man. Where is your friend?
That guy no be my friend. Nothing concern that guy. You no relate to me, I no relate to him.
Guy, you're denying him. Eh? Shut your mouth.
Now the speed way they pour me, now they vex me.
So you won't deny us on Labi. So you won't tell us also not your friend again. Now you just the play. Come on, this thing you just the play for you. Idiot.
You were in charge of the masquerade. Were you?
Na me dey in charge. Na in turn to wear am. In reach in turn, he go carry am go Lagos. I want to know say go carry am go. I dey call the Mugu for phone. You know the pick call. You dey busy my line. Now all these people carry bucket of spit. They pour for me.
You still get mad they talk.
Maduka, do you realize where you are? You're talking to someone like that. Eh? Are you okay?
Now, young man, listen and listen good. If you and your friend did not bring back the more outfit in 2 days, just 2 days, both of you will bear the consequences. How can he take the regalia of Moobodo to wherever you say he went?
Consequence for matter wey no concern me. Consequence for matter wey no concern me. That guy dead there and no go gree pick up. It's a more the only thing.
Guy, say shut up.
They go kill this guy here now in front of us.
Eh?
Leave him. Young man, if you do not provide the more outfit in 2 days, you have yourself to regret.
Don't beg you now. Don't beg, leave this thing now. Don't beg you, I beg. I beg. Forget about this thing, I beg. Chairman, I beg. I beg. No go do this thing, do mistake. Prison, there go you behind me, Satan, I beg. Go you behind me, Satan.
Who they call Satan?
Sir?
Who you just call Satan now?
I call you Satan.
Who you call
Hey,
Satan?
boss, no verse. Angel of Satan. Angel.
Come, it is say me and you they play. Sir? No, it is say me and you they play.
Anything I do again.
You get mind. You get liver. You gather. If you say you gather liver, be?
What thing I do?
No, devil won't use you. That devil, that Satan where you talk, he won't use you. You get mind, they toast my woman for this house.
Me?
Because I know this.
Toast your woman. Say I don't beg you. Say
because I know this.
Hey! You dey live risky life, oh.
I go open gate for me, I go buy smoke.
Thank you. The gate dey open. Serve yourself. Now buffet, use them.
So you don't go figure open gate for me.
You say, me, open gate for you. How? With the cutlass for your hand. Who want take that kind of risk? I go there front, you go come there back with cutlass. So that you go do mistake, change mind now. My head go there grand. I know if you take that kind of risk. Open the gate yourself. If they nothing work, I mean no get.
So like this now I go come out, I no go cut anything for your body. Now what you they try to tell me now?
Wetin be that? Wetin be that?
So don't like
hey, wetin be that now? Huh? No dey do that thing o. Ah, na firewood you dey see. Na human being be this. No dey see me like firewood.
Watch your back. I no tell you for back. Watch your back.
No, don't try rubbish now. Inside they fear you. Inside they fear you. If you see this knife for this compound again, no say I no sabi hide something. If you mistakenly open eye, see this knife, but this knife don't go. It don't go like this. See him again, no say I no sabi hide. No wahala.
Sunday no ganim, make una see them. Them two na very big trouble. Make una see them. They match each other. Make una they fit themselves. The two na masquerade yo. When they give people wahala. They wahala too much yo. Make una see them. Sunday wahala too much yo. Make una see them. Okadiru wahala too much yo. Make una see them. And the land them women go. Make una see.
Come. My parents get you how? Where you dey go?
They go market.
You dey go market? Which market? Which market you know where you dey go?
Lolo don't show me markets before.
Lolo don't show you market. So why you can't carry Madam Pikin put for back? They go market.
But which kind of talk come be that one? Man, leave her for inside this house. When you call you this your ugly face, then they fear her. I be the fine person will be pedophiles. You sure say this your this thing? You know that what you want you speaking do for house alone?
Which kind of accusation be that one?
Now you because you dey tell me say why I don't live her for house
God
with you.
forbid, I know they follow and do all those rubbish way they talk about now. Which kind of rubbish? You want to begin accuse me?
Every day not touching God or touch shower. Me packet now one dey back one. You begin dey cry. Crazy.
Be careful, oh. What they do anyhow? No, hey. And because of say you carry Madam Pikin, now make I go leave you. May we no go wound them if not for your mouth.
Pick this thing. Come on, pick her. Oh no. Yes.
But why your eye do every time your eye they go carry you go where you don't know. This thing where they look one day you go chop am. You don't overdo this thing. I go throw away this thing into the deepest abyss. You go see. Not be to roll this knife like this now. Fiam to another country. Very foolish boy. Carry your boyfriend. From your village, local boyfriend. Carry this masquerade. Una go threaten me for real life. Still threaten me for my dream. But no problem. You see today, this your masquerading career. We go end them today. We go see. We'll see what things will happen. After today, your masquerade ends here. So if you like your masquerade career, ends here today. I don't end them this time. I don't want this nonsense. Go that backyard now. Go.
Maduka, no, they take am easy day to talk to me. Wetin be that one? I tell you, say I no even know say I carry am come Lagos. As it don't be like this, you go calm down and to know how we go return am. He says them what do waiting. Oh, now if you don't reach like that, now maybe you go come carry am. As it be like this, you go come carry am. So you go get patience now. That sending things now. Me, I go send them. You get? I go send her. I go send her. Come. Man, they take them easy. Oga, now the month clothes they call me for be when they come back. I don't tell you say if you go fit come collect her, you come collect her. Or if not sending, I go send her and come. No, they ask me which one be where you dey go. I better come up for here. I go send her and come. No worry. I go do one way be. I go find people where they do month clothes way be. I go fit send her. May they I go tell you when you go collect her.
Sunday no ganir, make una see them two na very big trouble. Make una see them. They match each other. Make una they fit themselves. The two na masquerade yo. When they give people wahala, they wahala too much yo. Make una see them. Sunday wahala too much yo. Make una see them. Okadiru wahala too much yo. Make una see them. Angele de bueme buo. Make una see them.
So how much is that one?
5,000.
You say na 5,000 naira. No thief now. Thief. I know they like this kind of thing. Una too they behave anyhow for this city.
Madam, check banana where you want.
Market see far from here.
No, you don't.
You did that.
Just back of here.
But now you know it go happen. Yeah, help me all this pikin, you understand? Man for quick go come out. And they come.
I want to say you no go to store. It's
No,
market.
stop. Give am banana. Carry am.
Go buy the one I will give her.
I know what I don't know. And they come out, you quick buy things for market. If you cry, give a banana. If I come out, I go pay.
Okay, no problem.
See me see trouble. This not crazy sister lay. We calling kata carry trouble. Sunday no ganir, make una see them two na very big trouble. Make una see them. They match each other. Make una they fit themselves. The two them be crazy sister.
That's it.
Sunday and ganir.
That's Nami.
Them two they give all
Very foolish too. Very foolish too. Now they crazy. If you like, knock there till tomorrow. Knock there till next tomorrow. I will never open that gate. I think I'm joking with both of you.
That's it. Come, I want to tell you something.
Una get mind lost my madam pikin. A whole matured girl like you carry pikin go market, leave am there, lost am. Can you imagine? Listen to yourself, just listen to yourself. Foolish girl. Use hammer now. Your hand no strong, the sand no dey okay. Use hammer.
Betty, I don't agree. I want date you. I go be your girlfriend.
Madam, my name is Bato, no be Patty.
I don't agree to be your girlfriend. I go date you.
Who be that?
You.
Who?
Even if you don't reach, I will manage you.
You get mental problem. Management to kill you there. You get mental problem. A mental problem they worry you. Make I tell you, you cannot make a good mother. A young girl like you at your age, you carry pikin go market to lost am. And you say you want to date me.
Betty! Betty, no! Betty! Betty, open!
The craze. Can you imagine? My church girl like you, they carry pikin give you. You go market, go lost am. Now my mother, you don't find how you go take fine, but you no go better for you.